Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm your host, Derek Schomer. I've had a real rough couple weeks. Been super busy. Gonna try and bust this out in less than 10 minutes before my next meeting at work. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you how to make what I'd like to call an Amaro Manhattan. And it's probably really the name of the Amaro Manhattan. I don't know, but we're doing this quick and dirty Common Man style. And what does that mean specifically? Well, let's go through the ingredients first. Amaro. We're gonna use Bullyboy Amaro. We're gonna use Barrel Bourbon 10th Anniversary Blend. I have a little bar upstairs where I keep all my expensive bourbons that my wife buys. We're gonna use orange bitters from Scrappy's and aromatic bitters from Scrappy's. And this is the stuff that I typically have upstairs in my bar. This is why it's Common Man style. I did this for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna do it maybe tonight after I drink this one. Anyway, so the Amaro Manhattan is gonna be 2 ounces of bourbon. You can use rye if you want to. Half ounce of Amaro, two dashes of orange bitters, 1 dash of Angostura bitters. I like to do a bar spoon of Luxardo maraschino, cherry, and some of the juice, a bar spoon of the juice. Sweetens it up a little bit. Dan suggested that, and I've done it ever since he suggested it. So that's what we're going to make. I think I actually got this recipe from Dan. 2 cubes of ice, no stirring. Well, we're going to stir it, but we're not doing the whole bar tool thing. Like I said, Common Man style. So this is how I make it. Take my glass. Boom, done. Now I'm going to add in, usually I do my Amaro first, but there's really no necessary reason for that, except for I do half ounce right into the glass. 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Maybe I'll drink this during my meeting. Boom. Which one's this? Aromatic, 1 dash. Orange, 2 dashes. Basically, this is like, imagine a Manhattan, but you're not using vermouth because you think it sucks. It's not that it sucks. It's just I'm not a huge fan of vermouth. Maybe I should be. Just, I don't know. I just like the bitterness that comes with like an Amaro. You can change out your Amaros. If you don't have Bullyboy, we've got, whatever the hell that is. Amaro something Italian sounding. You can make a black Manhattan. It's basically the same recipe if you use it for now. And whatever else. Again, I got a meeting coming up. So, I'm a software engineer, if anybody cares. I'm going to buy a bar spoon right here of the syrup with the cherry in it because that's the dessert. Take that. I'm going to stir it to get it chill. So it's just like you're using a glass to stir it in. So you're like, Derek, why would I do it with barware and expensive barware and crystals, mixing glasses and stuff when I could just do what you're doing? Well, because my ice is going to be partially diluted. I'm also not serving this to somebody, so I don't care as much. Ooh, it's nice and... Whoa, the cherry's still on there. Well, yeah, this is going to be good for the meeting. So the ice is slightly diluted. The melt water is where you want it to be. The chill is where you want it to be. So what's the problem? There is no problem. The big problem is if I'm serving this, the ice is going to melt. If you're having a party and you're going to be talking with people for a while, it's just going to, it gets light. It's going to lose some of its energy because the ice is already half melted. This drink isn't going to last that long, so I don't really care. It's just enough. Usually it gives you it's a nice nightcap. Gives you just a little bit of sleepies. It's still strong. You might as well just be drinking whiskey out of the bottle. I only use overproof, so this is probably overproof. Feels like it's going to rip me a new one. 112.64 proof. That's 130, or 112. That's the number. What is it divided by 2? 61 maybe? Something, I don't know. Math. There's no time for that. So that, my friends, that's the Amaro Manhattan. I'm going to try to schedule a live stream soon. I can't remember. It's busy. It's the holiday season. Lots of stuff going on. Chaos. It's been crazy. So if we don't have a live stream before then, I'll just keep kicking out some videos until January. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, write it below. But this, my friends, simple, easy hack to make at home. Get yourself a couple bottles. This is like literally my bar. It's just different copies of bourbons and Amaros and a couple mezcals upstairs, not the big bar. And this is just what I make at night when I just want to sit down and watch some Star Trek or maybe some Battlestar Galactica, whatever. So there you go. That's it. Link below for the bartender home bartender starter kit from awesomedrinks.com. That's my store. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.